梁朝偉 Tony 咧喺 Heath Garage Sale， 今日我哋邀請到3個 vendor 幫我哋 style 我哋嘅 outfit。Are you ready, Tony? Kenny. Okay, what's your name?
Vanessa。Harry。
運動甜心啦，少見佢着呢個 style 嘅，佢做一下而家好年輕。
Sophia 加路嘅感覺。
係啊，我自己印嘅一件 top 咧係我自己嘅品牌。耶！好少着背心，所以我哋係加咗一件好 cute 好 cute 嘅牛角 T。咁呢度都好女仔啦，咁所以 boot 咧就着咗一對有褲管、一啲型格啲。
Look one, what you guys got? 我哋就玩啲咁花俏嘅嘢咯，就提升個人氣質呢。係 Joyce，係 Aurora，似梁朝偉，所以揾翻一套一代宗師嘅 reference。龍啦，皮褲有翻頂帽，唔好有劈音，然後 show 翻佢嘅靚仔樣出嚟。zoom in 個靚仔樣。陶瓷啊、玉啊、絨嘅美裙咁樣。我好中意紅色啊，掛住玩，唔記得咗。
5分鐘。我叫 Wilson， 嚟自蘇眉。墨水 water。呢套咧，我嘅靈感係因為最近世界盃，咁啊 FIFA 入邊嗰件 T 啦 ，Eddie 嘅外套，咁啊襯翻紅藍色，咁然後條褲都係我都係襯翻紅藍色嘅，係啊，有個 mix and match 嘅。
Father's Day is coming, so it's the day outfit, but inside we have the Pink Floyd, so it's like a mixed match. So yeah, that's my daddy.
Happy Father's Day！
Happy Father's Day!
Who's your daddy?
Here's my daddy!